Look at the fake here. Now you see me, now you don't.
What you're not necessarily supposed to do, but Hartenstein is not a great knockdown shooter, but does it there.
Curry behind the back, flips up and in. Little magic from Steph Curry. Crowd loves it. And it's back to 21. 8-point. Mitchell on Curry, slammed on the brakes. Oh my goodness! Curry! Blue stores.
I don't know how this guy makes this shot. Davion Mitchell, folks, is an excellent defensive player. It's an awkward, release. Was he looking to draw contact here? Was it, as you said, he lost control of the ball? I mean, how does that go in?
An elite guy that's in the MVP discussion from Jason Tatum.
Steph putting on a dribbling clinic. Doing it there. Like the old market.
And how about the dribbling exhibition of Steph Curry? That's poetry in motion. I mean, what do you do? And leading to an assist, making a guy around him better.
Warriors by 8 with the ball. Curry lets it fly. It's good. Stephen Curry sends us to the halftime break with a rainmaker. Adebayo back in. Hero trying to stay with Steph. Steph leaves him to the right.